What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial in brackets. In this video we're going to cover two things that we're going to be using a lot in CSS, two elements, and it's going to be div element and span element. Now, div element is used to group text elements in a block. So let me show you how it works. So let's say right now I create a div, and in order to create a div element I would have to write div, and right away you can see that brackets is creating a opening and a closing tag, right? But you're saying, well, wait a minute, I don't see anything, nothing is showing up there, right? Well, let's place a text inside there, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place there an unordered list, and I'm just gonna create, I don't know, 3 list items, and over here again I'm gonna say home, and then I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna say info and an about, right? Info and about. And you're still saying, well, wait a minute, I cannot see anything. What are you talking? How does it group text elements in a block? Well, again, we're going to do this little trick, the same like we did with the table, where we're going to add style so we can actually see the element. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here over here style, and I'm going to write border, and I'm going to say here 2 pixel again, solid red, right? So now all of a sudden you can see where is my div element. So you can see this is the div element, and you can see how it is actually working with the text, how it's actually grouping the text in the block, right? So what we're going to be able later to do with CSS, we're going to be able to change the background color, we're going to be able to change the layout over here. However, all this is going to happen within this block. We're not going to be actually, as we're going to be styling this div, we're not going to be touching the rest of the page. And just to show you, let's say that I'm going to copy this one right here, and I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste, and now you can see there's 2 blocks. So obviously you can have infinite amount of blocks in an HTML page, and with the CSS you're going to be able to style it however you would want, right? So let's look at the span element here and what would be the difference. So I'm just going to delete this, and I deleted one of my divs, so that's why you can see right away this purple icon. So I need to add a div, and then I'm fine, and you see it's yellow, and now it starts working. So let's go over here, and what I'm going to write is I'm going to write a paragraph over here, and I'm going to say I am, and I'm going to leave this blank, and I am the best over here, right? But here I want to write Johnny, but I actually will eventually would want that Johnny to stand out. So I would write over here a span, and I would find a span over here. You can see element, and it creates the double tags right away, and I write over here Johnny, and you can see this little block, but this is actually with a live preview. It has nothing to do actually with what we're about to do. And what I'm gonna do again, I'm just gonna copy this just so we could see, and I'm gonna paste it again over here. And again, once we'll be dealing with CSS, we're gonna do it differently, but I'm just showing you the way right now. So you can see we didn't want all the text elements, we just wanted this one. So therefore we're using the span element whenever we want to deal with the text that is in line. This is gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.